Welcome to Kraus BI. I'm Chris Wagner, and today we're going to be going over the data visualization guide, relationships. Not that kind of relationships, data relationships. Super exciting. Before we jump into any of that though, let's talk about what were we talking about here when it comes to relationships and data. When we talk about relationship visuals, these really break out into two different categories. Either we're comparing one measure to another measure, or we're comparing the details inside of our data, the dimensional breakout. When you're looking at comparing measures, you want to find ways that you can mix and match up these visuals so that what you're visualizing makes sense. For example, the combo chart is excellent at being able to compare and show a dollar amount versus a percentage. I've talked about this, I think, in every one of these videos. The combo charts is one of my favorite because you can do that, right? You can show your revenue as well as your profit margin, right? That is a really super powerful visual. When it comes to understanding the details, this is where we get into some of the most exciting visuals that are out there in data analytics today. This is where we start to get into our scatter charts, which I read somewhere was the most powerful data visualization device available to mankind. A variation on that is the Hexspin custom visual. The Hexspin custom visual is my number one favorite custom visual of all time. It's what lit a fire in me around Power BI. It lit a fire in me when it came to visualizing the details of information. If you haven't downloaded and checked out the Hexspin, wait till I show it to you in just a second. Another thing that you may want to look into is understanding and looking at how you can use the decomposition tree as part of your narratives inside your reports. A big thing that the decomposition tree allows you to do is understand how you could do root cause analysis on what's driving up your sales or driving down your sales. Understand where those numbers are going up, understanding where those numbers are going down, and be able to drill into it is incredibly important or valuable. Definitely include a decomposition tree inside your Power BI reports. Super helpful. Let's head down and let's take a look at the data visualization guide. Okay, so again, data visualization guide designed to be deployed out into your Power BI COE. So just go ahead, click on control and relation, and we go over and we start to see some of these incredible visualizations that are out there. Primary visuals, scatter chart, line and cluster column, and even the funnel chart. These are some of the primary ones that can simply allow you to go in and understand the relative weight of given measures that are out there. Scatter chart being, like I said, the most powerful chart that's out there. But I don't want to leave off the Hexspin scatter plot. This guy, I absolutely love this one because it not only can you see where you have hot spots and low spots, but inside of here, you can go into the Hexspin scatter plot options and you can click on show points. This is amazing, right? It allows you, okay, this is where my highest grouping is, but I can go in and I can hone in on an individual. I could create a pop-up around this to provide more details and context around this. Straight up, I just absolutely love the Hexspin scatter plot. Really, this is amazing stuff. And I would be remiss if I didn't go into a little bit of the decomposition tree. Inside your decomposition tree, you can allow users to navigate in deeper and deeper into their Power BI reports, understanding the root cause of what's causing sales to go up, what's causing sales to go down, et cetera, et cetera. There are a whole bunch of other visuals inside here. These are just, frankly, these are some of my absolute favorite visuals that are out there. All right. So relationship visuals, super powerful. They often, though, do need plenty of room inside your page, inside your screen, for users to be able to interact with them, be able to get the feel for what's going on inside them. One of my absolute favorite report layouts is to have a huge scatter plot or a huge hex bin scatter plot with all sorts of other like parts of a whole or comparison visuals that simply surround it, as well as some focus visuals along top. I think I got another video somewhere that outlines how to do that. It's just a super informative single place that your users can go to get information, to understand what's going on inside your organization. All right. Hey, thank you guys very much for joining me. I really appreciate it. If you like this content, hit that like button down below, subscribe to my channel, maybe even turn on that alarm bell so you get notified every time I publish some new content. And hey, if I miss something, if there's a visual that you just absolutely love that I didn't include, leave a comment down below. Love to hear which ones should be included in the data visualization guide 2.0 whenever that comes out, right? So thank you guys very much. Really appreciate you watching. Peace.